There's a lot of resistance and it's just not going on. You're going to cause damage if you do force that on. Welcome back to another episode here at Full Throttle. This is a nice and quick, easy one for you guys out there with the QuickJacks. It doesn't matter which model you have. If you're having issues connecting up that hose, the physical jacks to the pump, and it's very difficult to connect, try this out. This is going to be a huge lifesaver for you guys. Looking at is the line from the physical jack going to the hydraulic pump. What you're going to want to do is plug it in. And at this point, guys, if you're having the same issue as me, which is connecting up these lines, there's a lot of resistance and it's just not going on. You're going to cause damage if you do force that on. So you do not want to do that. You also want to make sure all of your connections are nice and clean. But what you're going to do is make sure the unit's plugged in, grab your remote, hold the down button, make sure your venting cap is loose. At that point, you can easily click these on without any resistance pushing back. So I hope this episode helped you guys out. This will minimize any damages caused to the QuickJack unit and also be much, much easier for you guys to connect up those lines. So again, I hope this episode helped you guys out. Leave your thoughts and comments down below. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button if you aren't currently subscribing to the channel. And until next time, you guys know what to do. Keep her at full throttle.